another installment, you boll weevils. And Dr. Ross and I, we saw the ACMs this night, and Dr. Ross and I, we thought it was fire. There was the Blake Shelton, the Taylor Swift, and many, many other great artists for country music.
Underwood, Brian Combs, everyone came out today. Pink, you had Pink out there. Everyone was out there for the American Country Music Awards, and it was quite a show. We were there in spirit.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Both Dr. Ross and I are thinking of making our own country music. We might drop a few tracks on y'all. We're going to put it on our Soundcloud sooner or later, maybe this week or next week. But let's move straight into our hot topics for today.
Well, for our topic for today, we have Paris Hilton fans are in disbelief as she uses her real voice for an interview. She said that she's been using a fake baby voice for years. You know, talking about her new documentary, This is Paris.
Because I do it in real walk.
What do you mean I'm not on a runway?
Dr. Ross, first of all, you already know that this is true. This is how Kim got her baby voice, actually. How she's always been talking in a weird sort of higher pitched voice.
Whoa. What?
Whoa, 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 hey.
Exactly.
But Miss Paris Hilton, you were the winner for the She's Hot contest, Playboy International. You are actually our third winner, so keep doing you. That's for you.
Billionaires.
That's right.
Paris Hilton, we know you're shaking what your mama gave you, doing what you do best, being a billionaire and running around scandalous, enjoying your life. But Black and Sebastian and I, even though your documentary has already came out, we would love to be in the next This is Paris documentary.
That's right. We'd love to hook you up and maybe make a film together, make some music.
Niggers!
Let's move into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we're going to be talking about T'Challa's Real Housewives behavior explained by a para expert. Now this, Black and Sebastian, I'm not going to lie to you.
Isn't T'Challa
exactly what I was thinking, but I guess one person watched the Black Panther and they said, hey, wait a minute, the T'Challa sounds like a good name. This is a lady who is a parrot expert, talks about the Real Housewife behavior through a parrot. All I want to say is, Black and Sebastian, just how we were going to be talking about in one of our She's Hot contests, we were talking about how the reality shows, they have to step it up. They have to bring new content. And this right here, this is unexplainable. This is a little too far.
We've been saying this for years, but obviously they probably ran out of content because people are saying, how is it that you're going into these restaurants all the time and not getting thrown out? So obviously they had to get a parrot trainer in there.
This next topic, Kanye, sit down somewhere. Sit down. This is not only disrespectful, but we love you, Kim, because you were one of our She's Hot winners, but Kanye, no.
And
Kanye West shared let me say what they're gonna do.
Yes.
Let I can say it. Kanye West shares a clip of himself urinating on his Grammy Award amid the fight with the music labels.
Oh no, so you didn't juju on that bait!
Dr. Ross, this is a thumbs down from me. We're not even going to be talking about you.
Exactly.
Bro. That shit was so retarded. I'm about to respond in another language. What the?
And before we move off of this hot topic, damn, Kanye West, weren't you supposed to be the president or something?
Weren't you running for president is the real question. We don't want to inflate your dreams that high, Kanye. But Kanye, no disrespect, but get the straight jacket. Put it on.
That's right. Stop doing the drugs. Stop doing a little bit of the puff, puff, smoke, smoke.
Exactly.
These were all of our hot topics. And for Kim, that's for you. Kanye and Kim, let us do something to your baby's hair.
Exactly.
Put the dreads in.
The dreadlocks in them.
That's right. The Jamaican and Rasta style.
Because right now, you got your baby looking like 6'9". And that's a no-no, Kanye.
And speaking about our Jamaican products, we do have our Jamaican shampoo and hair gel for sale.
Exactly.
As well as the Jamaican clothing line.
The sandals,
That's
the
right.
pants.
The leather sandals. But remember, if you guys want to buy any of the Jamaican clothing or the Jamaican shampoo, make sure to DM us at our Instagram.
Exactly.
That's right. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out.
Constantly. Money